day today. We got a little Vauxhall Mokka which has got a little bit of a coolant leak. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing is getting my pressure kit out. Now if you haven't got one of these into 2024, you need to be buying one. They're about 80-90 quid and they're going to save a lot of time. Now I've coupled it up to this system, the coolant system. As you can see, I did put it just into the red. Within a couple of minutes it has dropped down. If you have a little look, it is a fairly easy find this way. And we've got a coolant tank which is split. So what we're going to do, jump in the van and go and get a new tank from the Vauxhall dealer. Now lucky for me, the Vauxhall dealer is only about a 10-minute drive away. Oh, listen to that rain, it's awful. And here we go, we're now at Vauxhall. It's just close to me, which is in Oswestry. Let's get in and get some parts. And there you have it, that is a new header tank. In and out quicker than a bloody McDonald's drive-through. Now let's get this new header tank fitted. Now what we're going to need to do is remove this plastic trim here, and we're going to use these little tools to remove these panel pads, or whatever you want to call them, trim pads, and they are absolutely game changers, and they're by Surdoff. Brilliant. Now I've got all that plastic trim off, we need to make a start on getting the coolant out of that header tank. By now you should all know that I don't like mess on the floor, so what we're going to be doing, using a little siphon pump, and we're going to get all that coolant out of that tank. Now we've got all that coolant out of the way, we need to remove these hose clips here. Now these spring clips, they can be a little bit of a nightmare, and again these pliers are by Surdoff, and it's such a game changer. Look at that, so simple. Effortless. Right, let's just get this bottle off. And there you go, that is the old bottle off. It's very simple, it's just a simple job this is. Right, let's get this brand new one on. We'll do a little bit of a time lapse. And there we go, that car now is back up and running with a brand new header tank on the vehicle. I put a fresh litre of antifreeze in it, which is more than enough. It's back on the line. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to ask the customer to come back in a week's time, and we're just going to check a coolant level for them. Yeah, so that is one coolant leak found, fixed, and get it sound.